Makalat na naman yung room.
Huh?
Room is messy because last night we went to the wedding and then especially the other room, the accessories was like this. So yan. Ang laki ng pimple ko, be.
It's okay.
I have 3 pimples. So yun, makalat na naman. Ayan yung mga accessories. Ito yung ginamit ni Didi Pretty kagabi sa wedding. Ha, Didi Pretty wore this one. And then ito yung mga rings, mga silver rings. And then I need to sort the accessories that we use. I have to fix it, but sabi niya pupunta daw kami sa market. Kasi ano, bibilihan na naman ako ng shoes. For what kind of shoes, be?
Kind of warm, party wear.
Party shoes. Kasi kahapon, kagabi pala, pumunta kami sa wedding. Tapos nakasandal lang kami. Tapos, syempre malamig. And, yun, wala akong sapatos na pang pang event. So, bibili kami ng sapatos today. Eto, maganda din siya na earring. Why should I wear this? Kasi tinanggal ko yung earrings ko. Let me wear this.
Yeah.
But yeah. Look, but I think it's a bit heavy. What can you say?
Change it.
Oh, this one is nice. Kind of star. Nagka-ano na siya. Actually, ito yung una kong sinuot na earrings, guys. This is really cute. This one, kita ba? Uy, ayan. Pero pinalitan ko siya. This one is unique. Pero ang laki naman niya, papuntang market. Diba? Parang hindi siya much. Mamaya ko na naman to. Mamaya na lang. Ito daw. Try natin tong isa. I think it's a bit okay. I will change for now. What? Did you eat?
I already drink.
Yeah, actually, I didn't also eat. I only drink coffee and biscuit because I'm still full last night. Ang dami kasing pagkain kagabi, guys. Sarap na sarap ako dun sa parang barbecue na paneer ba. Para talaga siyang karne. Ito kasi pag artificial na gold ba, nagaano yung tenga ko. Makati. Pero tatry ko to. Artificial lang siya, guys. Hindi ako naligo. Kasi malamig. Ayan. Go! Surprise na naman niya sa akin, guys. Christmas gift ko daw. May tripod. Binila na niya ako ng tripod. So, ayan. Sineset na niya yung aking tripod. It can be used by the camera and then the phone.
You can support everything.
Chine-check niya yung tripod. Up to how much tall is this tripod? Ganyan siya mag-check, guys. Ang haba niya. And then when you're going down, yeah.
So hey guys, we are here at the shoe shop and I'm purchasing shoes for my lady.
So this one, I like the, it's simple but elegant. And I don't like this because it's super girly, like ribbon. And this one I don't like because
Oh,
this one is also like a boot.
oh,
But this one I like if you're angry, you will say "Tush," and then you will like
oh yeah.
Yeah.
Sit please. So Kuya is also showing us where is the new things. He will show us few more designs and then we will choose.
So we're home. So nakauwi na kami guys. And I'm so excited. Yan. Hindi maganda yung lighting dito no. Kasi ano ba? Nag-change ng color. So wait lang. What if like this? Ito kabilang. Yung light kasi patayin natin yung light. Ayan, pinatay ko na. So, nakauwi na kami guys. And I have this! Akala ko, bibili lang kami ng shoes. Pero, yung unang stop namin, hindi ko akalain na bibilhan niya ako nito. Ano daw to? Bakit nag-change ng color? Naiinis ako dito. Ayan. Ayoko nag-change ng color ba. So, ayan. Eto, tripod. Binilhan niya ako ng tripod. Christmas gift daw. Tapos, meron siyang biniling shoes for me. Kasi, yun nga, diba sabi ko kanina, yung event kagabi, malamig na kasi dito. Tapos, nakasanda lang. So, binilhan niya ako ng dahil shoes to. Bakit ba nag-iiba yung kulay? Naiinis ako. Dito na nga lang. Ganyan na nga lang. So, ganyan na muna yung setup guys. Kasi, nag-iiba-iba yung kulay. Ayoko na nag-iba-iba yung kulay. So, ito yung unang shoes. Naya. Yan, green. Green siya guys. Ayan. Doll shoes lang ba? Madaming design pero gusto ko to simple lang. Ayan. Tapos gusto ko din yung kulay niya. Ayan. And then ang ganda ng rubber shoes. Gusto ko yung kulay. So ito naman siya. Campus na brand. And yan siya guys. Unboxing tayo, unboxing. Tadang! Wait lang. So ito siya. Ano siya? Napaka-girly yung kulay. Baby pink. Baby pink. Ayan siya. Diba ang ganda? Ayan. So ayan siya. Ito 1,119 included of all taxes. 1,119. Yung isa, tingnan natin yung isa. Magkano kaya ito? $749. Meron silang mga price dito guys. Ayan, green flat belly. Oh, no. Yeah. 749. And then, yung ating tripod. Gusto niyo makita yung tripod? Wait lang. Tapos, ito na yung ating tripod. Heavy siya, pang ano talaga. Pang ano talaga siya. Professional. Yan siya guys. Basta ganito siya. Hala, patay. Pagalitan tayo nito. Ayan siya guys. Balik ko na kasi hindi ako marunong mag-assemble. Tuturuan pa niya ako mamaya. So, ito siya. Meron na tayong tripod kasi nahihirapan akong ilagay yung camera ba. Wala akong proper na lagayan. So, ngayon meron na akong tripod. Thank you to my baby! Best hubby ever! Yung adapter niya. Thank you for the gift.
I need to say thank you.
Why?
Because
What is this?
it's the light
It's the light.
on the camera.
Yeah. Thank you once again for fulfilling my needs.